we go to Costco. Now, Costco is kind of like going to the circus, sort of. Not exactly. It's kind of like going to Walmart. You know how the people are all weird? Well, at Costco, the stuff on the shelves can be a little bit weird. I mean, like, do you really need 42 pounds of rice at one time? We made it. We're in the parking lot. Thank God it's a Monday. Otherwise, you don't go to Costco. Like, on a weekend, forget it. I feel like a special agent or something going in. You have to, like, flash your badge. Speaking of the weird stuff you find at Costco. I don't know how well you can hear that. Here we have Apple Watches. I'm going to be doing a video on Apple Watches soon. I have opinions. Not sure what to make of it. So, Derica, what did we come to Costco for?
Crackstachios.
Brains. A whole row of what looks like brains. Pretty sure it's not brains. Tip: if you're looking at vegetables and the inside of the bag is totally wet, don't buy them. They're going to spoil. Mushrooms. That's like a week's supply.
What happened to
Tomatoes. We go through a lot of these little tiny tomatoes. These look pretty good. Crap.
Gazpacho in a bottle?
Gazpacho in a bottle. Now there's something you just don't see every day. Let's see what's in it. Tomatoes, cucumber, homemade vegetable broth, and a bunch of other stuff. This actually looks somewhat healthy. I don't know that I really want gazpacho in a bottle, but...
Do you know who makes an awesome gazpacho?
No, but I think you're going to tell me.
This girl!
Awesome. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Stuffed grape leaves.
I know, I'm just saying it's a good sign.
Let's see. What's in this? Yes, I obsessively read the ingredients of everything. Oh yeah, these sound pretty decent. Not a lot of fat even.
Do you want to
Low
try
sodium.
them? Okay, let's try those.
I think we're going to try them. Okay, usually they have tofu in this area somewhere. Where's the tofu?
Ta-da!
Tofu. Grab one of those. You know, why buy one when you can buy 6 or 8? Now we're into all the stuff that we just don't buy. We don't use any of this crap. That's why Derek is saying crap.
How many paper towels do we have? Do you know?
The funny thing is about the paper towels, I have absolutely no way of knowing how many we have since I don't even know where they are in the house. Never have too much mixed vegetables. They're useful for everything.
Do you want to go down there or no?
Looks very peoply, but sure. Is there anything we actually want in this aisle?
Probably not, but there's like beyond the impossible.
Oh, we can look at this. Pass. Not getting any. Go down like every aisle and never buy any of this stuff.
They should have non-dairy cheese.
They should have non-dairy cheeses. But they don't.
Like
Right.
following through celebrities.
Yeah, that
This
part.
is awesome because I watch you guys on YouTube.
Really?
Oh yeah,
That's so cool.
especially with the Snyder.
I'm Derek.
I'm
nice
Ron.
to meet you.
I'm actually from Indiana.
I'm
and I come
joking.
down here and I see you
I'm
guys.
Brian. This is actually Derek. Yeah. He didn't even catch on.
I got it.
Sorry about Dunkin' Donuts. We drove to my mom's in Pennsylvania one time and I got Dunkin' Donuts for the ride back and it made me like so deathly ill. We had to stop in Virginia at a friend's house overnight. It was that bad. Eat pretzel chips.
We always need pretzel chips.
These pretzel crisps are the most amazing thing ever. Do your Vanna White impression. There you go. Awesome. I don't even feel weird walking around Costco holding a cell phone out because people just get used to it. For scale, look at the size of this bag of tortillas that Derek had to get. Oh my God. Item that I always say I'm going to get when we come here. Today, I'm actually doing it. I mean, how can you not want to buy that? You know, seriously. Get out. Salsa choices. This is a twofer. The other one's a one-fer. This one's medium. This one doesn't say. Getting this one.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think I want more dried mushrooms.
All right, because you liked the mix.
I liked the mix. The mix was very good. Artichoke hearts. And the best sauce ever. Ketchup. And this is the Simply one with no artificial sweeteners. It's the Michael Jackson edition. Get it? Organic dried mangoes. We've gotten them a couple of times. You have to like feel up the bag because sometimes they're just super dry and nasty. Figs. Can't believe there's actually nobody in this aisle right now. Do we need anything else?
Yeah,
What?
Crackstachios.
Oh yeah, like the thing we came here for. Yeah, we got all this stuff, but we actually came here for one item. Well, two, because there's booze too. I plan on getting some booze. They're down one of these aisles. No, 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 no. Did we miss them?
I guess so. Maybe they moved them.
I think she found them.
These the ones we get?
These are salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. We don't.
Oh
really do salt.
no, I don't want salt and pepper. That's just gross. That's not Crackstachios. That's shelled.
These are shelled.
That is worse.
They take all the fun out of it.
That is so much worse because then
just
you're just gonna
inhale
eat the
this
whole bag.
bag
I
and-
think I see more of them.
Dangerous.
Here we go. Crackstachios. They're pistachios that are salted, and they're just like crack.
Alright, I think we're done. Okay, we're done.
We're done. And to check out line. Remember, it's Monday. It's not a weekend. It's a Monday. They're totally going the wrong way. Out is that way.
Right next to it's right next to the hot dogs.
What are you looking for?
Thank you for helping.
So here we come. We're coming up to my favorite part of shopping at Costco. The most ridiculous thing ever. Somebody's going to explain why they do it, but I think it's funny. We have a shopping cart full of stuff, right?
Yeah.
How are you today? All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Afternoon.
And he takes 4 seconds looking at our cart, crosses off the receipt, like he counted every single thing in there. But guess what? Now we're at the best part of Costco. Here we are. Derek just asked if we should get tequila. We don't really do tequila. I don't even know if we'd like it or not. Do they have other tequila that isn't like 40 bucks a bottle? I'm cheap.
This one. This one's tequila.
Kirkland tequila. How much is that? $30 for a... Oh! It's 1 liter. Yeah, we could do that. Put it up here so that they don't think we're stealing it. Gin. Nobody needs gin.
Hendrix Neptuna.
Do you want Hendrix Neptuna?
I forget. I read about it, but I forgot what it was supposed to be.
It's refreshing as the sea breeze.
Oh, it's citrus.
Here we go. Now we're into the stuff that I like. And you know, it's funny. Yeah, grab one of those. The Kirkland blended scotch is pretty good. It's funny. The Tennessee whiskey that they have is not really my favorite. Just not a huge fan of that one. And this crap, heck no. I'm not envious of anyone. Oh, they have it again. Can we just get a case of it? Why not? But we do. I just said this is my booze for the month. Okay, maybe a couple of weeks. I like their Irish as well, but the Canadian. Can you hold up the bottle of Canadian so they can see? This is like Awesome stuff. I love this. One of my favorites.
Did you ever try the Kirkland Isla?
No, I did not. I have not actually tried it. It's $40 for a 750, but that's like cheaper than the one I really like. So
big?
yeah, you know what? I'm gonna try it.
All right,
Make some room.
I did.
See, we don't get to Costco very often, believe it or not. So we buy it in bulk when we come.
And we're done.
Yeah, I think we bought plenty. That was $208 of alcohol, but you know, honestly, that's cheap. We're leaving Costco.
This is why we need to move to New Zealand.
Why? What's in New Zealand?
Distilling is legal.
Oh, right. We can make our own. That would be better. This is probably a little dangerous for me to be walking while holding my phone, trying to talk to you guys in this parking lot, because people drive like crazy here. And we're back in the car, in the parking lot still, though. Costco is always like an adventure. It's just, you never know what's going to happen. Like the car next to us in the parking lot, the guy spilled his soda on his foot and he's like cursing up a storm, freaking out. You'd think somebody like punched him in the face or something. All worth the trip.